Bonjour class. I just very quickly wanted to go through the notes that you all did on Tuesday. In case you had any questions or in case you just wanted to make sure that everything was okay or you wanted to hear the pronunciation of your vocabulary words. So first in the vocabulary section we have comment vas-tu, which is how are you doing? And you can respond to that in three ways. I've just given you three simple ways here that you could respond to that question. You could say très bien, to say very well, pas mal, not bad, or pas bien, not well. Some other vocabulary terms this time: j'ai faim, I'm hungry; j'ai soif, I'm thirsty. And to say that you can go to certain places, we have some locations here. So au café is to or at the cafe. Au cinéma, at or to the movies. Au fast food, at or to the fast food restaurant. Au restaurant, at or to the restaurant. Au travail, at work. En boîte, at or in the club, like a nightclub. À l'école, at or in school. And then à la maison, at home. Now the next part that you had to do on Tuesday was the dialogue. You had to read the dialogue and then select the person who most likely said that expression. All right, so for number one, the person who said pas mal was B, Caroline. Okay, she said that right here, pas mal. For numéro deux, the person who said très bien, that's Malika. And she said that right here. Now number three, j'ai faim. This could actually apply to both Malika and Caroline because Caroline, she says it directly right here, j'ai faim. But then in the next line, Malika, she says moi aussi, which means me too, or me as well. So that actually applies to her as well. She did not directly state it, but it applies to her. Numéro 4, elle préfère aller au fast-food. That's going to be Malika. She says that right here. Je préfère aller au fast-food. And then lastly, on va au fast-food. They are going to like a fast food restaurant. That's going to apply to both of them. C, Malika et Caroline. Okay, because they're both going to a fast food place. So those are the answers for the dialogue. Now let's skip through down to the Enquête Culturelle, where you had to kind of analyze these menus from a McDonald's website. So for number one, what are your sandwich choices if you order a Happy Meal? You could get a McFish, a croque McDo, an hamburger, or a cheeseburger. Now, if you wrote chicken McNuggets, I understand why you did, but that's technically not a sandwich. Numéro 2, what are your accompaniments or your side choices if you order a Happy Meal? And those you can find right here: petite frite, moyenne deluxe potato, et petite tomate. Numéro 3, what are your drink choices if you order a Happy Meal? You have une boisson gazeuse, which translates to a fountain drink or like a soda. Un jus de fruits, which is a fruit juice. Minute Maid orange. Lipton iced tea, or bottled water. Number 4, numéro 4, what is the word in French for fruit juice? That's going to be jus de fruits. Numéro 5, what are your dessert choices if you order a Happy Meal? You can have mon bio à boire, which is like a yogurt drink. Some fruits, berlingot fruits. Un sachet de petites pommes, un sachet de fruits du moment. So you could have like a pouch of applesauce or a pouch of the seasonal fruit, whatever they have available. Numéro 6, what else comes with a Happy Meal? We have here un super jouet ou un livre. So that's going to be a toy or a book. Numéro 7, what's on a croque monsieur? Up here, that's going to be ham and cheese. And you can see that with jambon et emmental, which is a type of cheese. Numéro 8, what's the word in French for ham? And again, you can find that up here, jambon. Numéro 9, what is the word in French for dessert? Very, very similar. You see that in a couple of different places, namely here, un dessert au choix. So it's going to be dessert. And what are the different types of muffins? You have here chocolat ou myrtille, which is blueberry. Merci.